Hey, Fivers. Let's see. Is David down there? Can you send him up, please? But you're going to talk a little bit loud because the microphone's right here. Scoot over. There we go. So this is your scooter? Or this is Riley's scooter?
Yeah, but I use it.
Yeah, but we were able to do that 3D printed wheel on it, right?
Yeah.
Was it fun testing it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Probably trying to do the tail whip.
Okay. But the tail whip doesn't involve this.
Oh, so you mean involving the wheel?
Yeah, what was your favorite part in riding this while testing this wheel?
Probably testing it while going down ramps.
Okay. And it did go down the ramps, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks for helping me out on this.
Yeah.
Do you think that we could try again sometime down the line? Maybe
Yeah.
make a different one or a new one? Okay. Maybe we'll try that. I think that'd be a lot of fun.
The only thing that I don't like about this is the outside is too soft and it stretches out.
It does stretch out. It's too stretchy. So we can make it the outside maybe thinner. Maybe not as squishy and a little bit thinner. Maybe so it wouldn't stretch out.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know. I was just thinking out loud. Yeah, this was a fun exercise.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got the chance to do that.
Yeah. Actually, I think that the size is fine, but the squishiness isn't.
Okay. Well, so I made this to be 10 millimeters. So about that. So we just need to make it less. Right? Because we just don't want it to squish too much. Well, we'll work on it.
Yeah.
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 That was fun.
It was fun.
Thanks for helping me test it, David.
Yeah.
We'll put a real wheel back on this, though.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Love you. Thank you. Tell everyone thanks.
Thank you.
And tell everyone to see him on the next one.
See you on the next one.
And wave. There we go.